beginning of something. I don't expect you to know how it's gonna go, but I believe we might be on to something. And I just thought maybe you should know. I've been playing out a lot of hypotheticals in my mind. I've been writing your name down next to mine. Been imagining all the things you and I could do. Seen all the possibilities in my dream. When you should really be next to me. Baby, let's not wait and see. Immediate action is unnecessary. It's a fatal attraction, it's a little scary. I got a plan for attack and I'll get us there someday soon. I know it. I got a plan A and I got a plan B. And if it's absolutely necessary, we go to plan C. Whatever I gotta do to be with you. I've been playing out a lot of hypotheticals in my mind. I've been writing your name down next to mine. Been imagining all the things you and I could do. I've seen all the possibilities in my dream. You're the one, you should really be next to me. Baby, let's not wait and see. Nobody can see into the future. Even the weatherman gets caught in the rain sometimes. But I see something in you that I've never seen before, and I can't be sure. No,